Tragopan is a bird genus in the pheasant family Phasianidae. The members of this genus are commonly called horned or horny pheasants because the males have two brightly colored fleshy horns on their head that can be erected during courtship displays. And the habit of these birds to nest in trees is unique among phasianids. Within this genus, there are 5 recognized species of Tragopans. This time, stay with us, as we are going to look at all 5 of them. Found along the range of Himalayas, at elevation of 2,400 and 3,600 meters in summer, 2,000 and 2,800 meters in winter, the rare Western Tragopan is a highly endangered species. Like most pheasants, they roost in trees singly or in pairs, except during nesting. During display, the males would show the throat inflated into lappets that appear purple with pink margins. They also display blue horns with a fancied resemblance to those of the Greek mythological god Pan, whence the name Tragopan. They are sensitive to anthropogenic disturbance and avoid disturbed habitats. In fact, the population of the Western Tragopan is threatened by several anthropogenic factors throughout its range. The world population is estimated at fewer than 5,000 individuals, including a captive breeding population in Himachal Pradesh, which numbered fewer than 10 pairs in 2012. Today, this beautiful bird is listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. The Satyr Tragopan, also known as the crimson horned pheasant, can be found in the Himalayan reaches of India, Tibet, Nepal, and Bhutan. They reside in moist oak and rhododendron forests with dense undergrowth and bamboo clumps, where they range from 2,400 to 4,200 meters in summer and 1,800 meters in winter. When it is mating season, male Satyr Tragopans would grow blue horns and a gular wattle. When ready to display, they will inflate their horns and hide behind a rock, waiting for females to pass by. When one does, they will perform an elaborate display in front of the females. At the end of the display, the male will stretch to his full height and show off all of his ornaments. Although considered the least threatened of the Tragopans, Satyr Tragopans still face many threats. The species is thought to have a moderately small population that is subject to hunting and habitat loss throughout most of its range. On the IUCN Red List of threatened species, the Satyr Tragopan is evaluated as near threatened. Found across the mountains of far northeast India, central China, far northern Myanmar to northwestern Tonkin, the Temminck's Tragopan resembles the Satyr Tragopan, but has an all-red upper body plumage and an orange collar. The male is a stocky red and orange bird with white spotted plumage, black bill and pink legs, while the females are a white spotted brown with blue circular eye skin. The male's display features include bare blue facial skin, inflatable dark blue lappet and horns. Widespread and a common species throughout its large habitat range, the Temminck's Tragopan is evaluated as least concern on the IUCN Red List of threatened species. Endemic to mountain ranges in southeastern China, the Cabot's Tragopan inhabits subtropical evergreen forest and other forests with a mix of deciduous and coniferous trees. Its altitudinal range is 600 to 1,800 meters, but also present above the tree line. Currently, its populations are fragmented as it has limited ability to disperse and seems not to move across gaps in forest cover. Today, Cabot's Tragopan is assessed by the IUCN as being a vulnerable species. This is because it is estimated that there are fewer than 10,000 individuals, and the number is decreasing. The main threat it faces are loss of habitat as natural forest is converted to agricultural land or plantations of conifers and bamboo. This reduces the availability of suitable nesting sites in the forks of trees. In addition, illegal hunting still takes place in some areas. Found in many different areas, including Bhutan through northeast India, North Myanmar to southeast Tibet, and China, the Blyth's Tragopan is a beautiful species where the males have two pale blue horns that become erect during mating. Despite its large range, the animal's population is small and is believed to be decreasing at a rapid rate, making it a vulnerable species on the IUCN Red List. The total population is estimated to be about 2,500 to 10,000 birds, which is a very small number compared to some of its relative birds. Overexploitation is one of the biggest threats to all birds, including Blyth's Tragopan. High levels of grazing and slash and burn agriculture in Bhutan are also significant threats. The effect of slash and burn techniques has a significant effect on the species because it takes away the entire habitat that the bird has. Fragmentation becomes a huge issue as it divides larger populations into smaller ones over a large area. This in turn does not allow these birds to get the genetic variation that they need.